Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about Edpuzzle and how we're going to use it in this class. First things first, you will have the Delta Math instructions, Edpuzzle instructions, Canvas discussions, etc. That's where this is going to be located. But to get to Edpuzzle, you will simply open the slide deck for the unit of instruction that we're going to use. So you'll click this and it will open the slide deck. Once you're in the slides, you can either click on any of the play buttons and follow the links. That'll take you right to Edpuzzle. You can, of course, click the notes, or you can click the Delta Math for practice. If we click the link for Edpuzzle, if you are not already signed in or signed up, it will take you to this screen right here. And so if you already have an Edpuzzle account, by all means, go ahead and log in and add the class. If you need to sign up, go to Sign Up. I'm a student. And if you have a Google account, you could sign in with Google. But my only challenge with those is that if your Google username is like nickel plate engine number 739 or something like that, I have no idea who you are. And so signing up with your own Richland email would be very beneficial. So let's sign up for Edpuzzle. Now you're going to need a class code. That class code is right here in our instructions on how to get going with Edpuzzle, and that's B-U-P-E-L-U-V. Boopalove, I guess. So B-U-P-E-L-U-V. And hit next. Then I can insert my first name, my last name, and my password that I want to use. Okay? Once I do that, I can join the class. And so here we go. Okay. All right. And so now I am in the class, and as you can see, we're going to have all of the various Edpuzzles that we need to do. But you don't really need to worry about this list. You don't really even need to worry about which ones are completed, which ones have no due date, yada, yada, yada. You don't really care about any of that, because when you click on the link, it should take you right to the Edpuzzle that you need to do, right to the one that you need, and begin working through that. Ready to go. So all you need to do, go to whatever the learning module is, go to the slide deck. Once you're in the slide deck, click on the Edpuzzle link, and it will take you right where you need to go. All right, thank you. Real quick, just to give you a look behind the curtain, I went in as my teacher account. I can go to your class. I can go look at the assignments and see all the same assignments you can see, except I can see how many people out of how many have done it. I can see when they did it. I can see percentages. I can see how much everything is. I can look at it in a grade book. But most importantly, what I can do is I can go and I can reset a Edpuzzle for you, because my goal with using Edpuzzle is that you can do it as many times as you want. You can do an Edpuzzle over and over as many times as you want and get the questions right. So wrong question here, right question here. I can see all these answers. I can see how many times you have watched or rewatched the thing. I can see how long it took you to watch it. I can see when you watched it. All of this analytics is really good stuff, but the best part is, if I wish to, you request via email, I can reset that email, right? Sorry, I can reset that Edpuzzle, and you can start again, and now you have every opportunity to redo the Edpuzzle for full credit. So make sure you're going to Edpuzzle. Make sure you're not just doing it, but if you need me to reset it so you can redo it, I'll be happy to have you do that.